Imagine you ordered a birthday cake from a bakery. The big day arrives, but the cake does not. No call and nothing. You finally call them and they say, "Sorry, we ran out of flour 3 days ago. We forgot to tell you 3 days ago." And they said nothing. Hello, I am Rahul Agarwal, Managing Director at Prestech Forgings. In factories and supply chains, this happens every single day. Today, I want to show you how to stop it. Picture a sourcing manager called Priya. She has an important delivery going out in 3 weeks. Her customer is waiting, her boss is watching. Her supplier knew about a problem a week ago. A machine broke down. But they stayed quiet, hoping to fix it before Priya noticed. They could not fix it, so Priya gets a message on Tuesday afternoon. "Sorry, we are going to be late." Now she pays for emergency shipping, apologizes to her customer, and explains to her boss what went wrong. The later delivery was painful, but the silence before it was the real problem. Here is something surprising but completely true. Bad news that comes early is cheap and easy to fix. The same problem costs 10 times more if it is shared 10 days later, and 100 times more if the customer finds it out first. Think of it like a small crack in a wall. Fix it today and it takes 5 minutes. Wait for 6 months and the whole wall needs rebuilding. And here is what most people miss. Priya's supplier stayed silent because they were scared of her reaction. You teach people how to behave by how you respond to them. So here is one simple thing you can do this week. Make a simple agreement with your supplier. I call it a condor contract. It has 3 parts. 1. Write down one rule and this line to your next order. If something goes wrong, tell us early. You will not get in trouble for sharing bad news. Point number 2. Name the warning signs. Tell your supplier exactly when to call you. Machine down for more than 4 hours, call us. Quality reading below a certain number, call us. Shipping delays beyond 2 days, call us. 3. Agree on the plan in advance. Can you send a partial shipment? Who pays for the extra freight? Decisions made on a calm Tuesday are always better than decisions made in a Friday night panic. You cannot stop every problem from happening, but you can almost always stop the surprises. Ask yourself this one honest question today. If something went wrong at your supplier tonight, would they call you tomorrow morning or would you find out in 3 weeks? That answer tells you exactly where you stand. What is the one warning sign in your supply chain that should trigger on an immediate call, but nobody has named it yet? Write it in the comments. Let us build that together. Thank you. See you in my next video.